All right, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. So, one of the companies out there is called Carvana. You pick out whatever it is online and they deliver it to you. When Carvana first came out, their commercials was like a vending machine. You can actually go there, pick out your car, and you can see it coming down like a vending machine. Well, most of the stuff they do now is you going online and they deliver it to you and etc. etc. Well, the thing about Carvana, you can't touch the car. Some places Carvana actually still has a lot for where the cars are coming from. If you can find out where the lot is in your area, go to the lot and touch the car. Get a pre-purchase used car inspection. You can go to my website, buy the pre-inspection documents. It'll walk you through it. There's going to be an upcoming video about how to look at the data to understand how the engine actually is running, and it doesn't matter how good the car looks, the data will literally tell itself, and they can't alter that. With that being said, when you decide to go to Carvana online, please have your own insurance, car insurance. If you decide to use their car insurance and you find a better deal, like say the next day, you're not getting your money back. That's just how they are. I'm talking about the car insurance that they will offer you. It's going to cost you a pretty penny, a down payment and all that for the car insurance. But even if it's an hour later, then you get your own car insurance and you ask to cancel it, they're not going to cancel it. You just lost that bit of money. So with that being said, you got to get a pre-purchase inspection on these vehicles. It's a 50-50 chance you're going to get a piece of garbage, or the other side of the coin, you're going to get something nice. Even though on the Carvana they're showing you pictures, you need to look for any and every scratch, any imperfection, and let them know. You have a 7-day period from the day you get those keys in your hand. If you're going to have it scheduled to be delivered and you decide, oh, I want it earlier, they're going to cancel the whole delivery and it's probably going to be a little longer. That's another thing that will happen. When they deliver the vehicle, they're going to give you the opportunity to drive it around. Take your sweet time. I don't care if the delivery driver has to sit there for 15 minutes to an hour. You drive that car. The moment you get those keys in your hand, you go through that car with a fine-tooth comb, you take pictures, and I do not know in other states, but in Virginia is a one consent state. If you have an iPhone and you make a phone call, there's going to be something that's going to say options. You can hit that record button. Talk to that person and say, this was wrong with my car. You got to have proof. You can't verbally say this is what they said to you. Whatever your complaints are, make sure they fix it. Don't let them hold the car over 7 days. It's like, oh, the 7 days are up. No, you need to take care of that immediately. There is no if, ands, buts, or whats about it, because after 7 days, you own it. Next, if you have the ability, get it refinanced somewhere else. If you use their finance, it's going to be a high percentage rate. Majority of your payment will go to the interest, and very little will go to the principal. Principal is after the interest of whatever your payments are. It's going to be called Bridgecrest. They are very expensive. You miss a payment, you'll find out what happens with that car. Just get your car refinanced, credit union or whatever it is. Even if you do go through Bridgecrest, get it refinanced as soon as you can. Those payments, and they're probably going to add on to gap insurance. Your car gets in an accident, whatever the insurance company says your car is worth, the gap insurance will literally pick it up, 100% pick it up, so the car will be completely paid off if there's something happened to your car. They're also going to offer you a warranty. It's called Silver. I forgot the name of it, but it's called Silver, something Silver. Don't take it. Go to Endurance or Car Shield. I don't get paid to tell you any of this stuff. I don't get no endorsements or anything. But Car Shield and Endurance out there, and you're listening to me, hey, I do a lot of pre-inspections. We can do something together. But the one that Carvana is going to offer you is going to be super expensive. They don't own the extended warranty. Once your car is out of the manufacturer warranty, whoever gives the extended warranty is a third party. So you could be the third party and save yourself a lot of money. Believe me, you're going to want your own extended warranty, but do not take Carvana's, because they're adding all this stuff onto the whole price of the car. And anything you don't like about that car, you make sure you get it fixed. Make sure you record, get the people's name, whatever you need to do. And if it's a nice car, then don't worry about any of that stuff. But Carvana is a brother to another, I forgot the name of his brother. He owns, I think it's Drive Time, I believe. But anyway, they're brothers. They don't like each other, but they're in the same family. And then Bridgecrest is the financing company that's in between that they own too. So don't make all these people wealthy because you're afraid to speak up. You need to speak up, because a lot of these cars are repos. A lot of these cars they're getting from auctions, and they're just, because Carvana actually buys cars. So you want to make sure that you're getting the best deal with Carvana. And look at those pictures, because they're showing you scratches. There's probably going to be other scratches. You need to check the tire. That's why you need to have a pre-purchase inspection. You have no idea how many vehicles I looked at from Carvana that had other issues that the customer got fixed for free because they followed my advice. If you don't follow my advice, and after those 7 days, every last one of those issues belong to you. Even if you have an extended warranty, you can't make a claim for 30 days because it's going to be fraud if you do that. Carvana is a 50-50 thing. Get yourself, and I'm reiterating this, if you have to use their financing, get it refinanced as soon as you can, or get it financed before you even get the car. Or if there's Carvana somewhere in your area, instead of having it delivered, you go straight to the car. Kick those tires, look at the batteries, pop that trunk open, see what's been in the flood, get my documents, watch my videos. This is extremely important information, because once those 7 days, I'm repeating this, after 7 days, I've been so many customers with Carvana, I had to fix the issues myself, and it was not cheap whatsoever. With that being said, if you like this video, hit that follow button, hit that subscription button, so that algorithm can get this information out there to you, because there's people out there in your same situation going to be doing the same thing that you want, but you need this information. It's extremely important. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, hit that follow button, and remember, you are awesome.